Welcome to our very own City Light channel guide. I am going to introduce to you the interface of SolidWorks after you have installed the SolidWorks 2019. Its icon will be displayed on the desktop. Click on the icon and you will get into the interface similar of this kind. If you are using the SolidWorks for the first time, then license activation dialog box will be shown at first. After some time the SolidWorks window will be displayed on the screen. We will begin with our basic tutorial getting to know about the various commands and their application step by step. Before starting, hi, my name is Avantika, expert in CAD CAM application. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. If you don't know, then let me tell you that I have started tutorial series of SolidWorks from the basics, covering all the sections from ground level to the perfection required for the industrial standards. Series will be completed within 1 month. Hope you will enjoy learning. You can see here SolidWorks window. At the right you can see SolidWorks Resource Task Table. This task pane can be used to open online tutorial and also visit the website of the SolidWorks partners. Also the Welcome SolidWorks dialog box will evoke simultaneously. This dialog box can be used to open a new file or the existing file. SolidWorks has been divided into 3 modes: part mode, assembly mode, and drawing mode. Part mode of the SolidWorks is an feature-based parametric environment in which you can create solid models. In assembly mode, you can assemble components of assembly with the help of required tools. Drawing mode is used to make documentation of the parts or the assemblies created earlier with the help of drawing view. Now let me click on this part option here to evoke the part mode of SolidWorks so that we can understand interface in much better way. So I will click this part button here. You can see we are directed into part environment of SolidWorks. In this part mode, we are provided with 3 planes, named as the front plane, the top plane, and right plane. First you need to select the sketching plane. Before we select the sketching plane, I need to tell you that this is feature management tree tab. It stores all the steps history of part which we create here in the drawing environment. Now as a set you need to select the plane. To create sketch, I will take front plane. As you can see 5 out of 2 is shown here. The first button is the sketch button. As we click on this, everything flies off. Now we are in the sketching environment of SolidWorks. Also here, we have some command manager like Features Command Manager, Sketch Command Manager, Surfaces Command Manager, and so on. Respective command managers have some tools attached to them. Like for Sketch Command Manager, we have all the Sketch Command tool attached to them. I click on this Features Command Manager. You can find all tools that are used to create features. The Surface Command Manager, there are all the required tools for the surface generation. Let me click on the Sketch Command Manager. To create the base feature, I will choose the Circle tool. Then I will click here for the center of the circle and I will create a circle of radius 52.85 centimeters. You can see as I have created a circle, we have been shifted to Properties Manager here. We can see that all the properties of this circle has been displayed here on the Property Manager. Like you can see circle here is center type and radius currently it's under defined sketch. And radius value is 52.85 centimeters. You can change the value in this edit box. Let me change it to 60 centimeters. Press enter. Now you can see the radius value is changed now after making all the. In this property manager, I will click this close button. Now we have created a sketch feature for base. Now we need to exit this sketching environment. For that we need to click this exit command. As we have created the base feature, now shift to the feature command tab. Now I will choose this extruded box face tool. Add something to this grubs. We will add some thickness now. I will click on. After adding thickness to this model, next I will click on this OK button. As you can see, we have created a base feature for our model to summarized. These are the command tabs. These are the ribbons. These are the feature design manager tree. As I keep on shifting, I will keep getting the property file manager, configuration manager, gimmick manager, and so on. Also at the top we have menu bar. Currently this menu bar is pinned. If we click this pin, the menu bar get unpinned and it will get disappear. Now what I will do, I will hover over this SolidWorks icon and you will see menu bar gets expanded. In this menu bar we can start a new file, open an existing file, save a new file, and also print file, and so on. You can use this editing tools from the editing drop down. We can use insert command. We can use the same commands that are available in the feature based command. Also we have a quick access toolbar here. In this quick access bar, first option we have is Welcome to SolidWorks. If we click on this, we will get Welcome SolidWorks quick command window of 2019 interface. From this window you can check the recent documents. You can open any mode of the SolidWorks 2019. You can see what's new in this version of SolidWorks. You can also get help from the SolidWorks team from this option, the Get Support button. You can also put your queries in this SolidWorks forum and so on. From the other keys in this menu bar, we can start a new file, open existing file, save a new file, undo corrections, and so on. You can also change the unit system that you are working on. There are different options in toolbar to change the units, like for now the unit set is mmgs, which means millimeter, gram, and seconds. You can change it to MKS system, CGS system, or IPS system. Here we have a status bar. Status bar keep telling us information regarding what we are doing while we are creating part in this area. This is the views add up tools. Toolbar present here are use, zoom views, set the view orientation, set the orientation, set the display style, set the visibility of the models, and sketch visibility, and so on. This is all about this introduction to SolidWorks. Hope you all liked it. Next section, I will introduce you to customization of commands that are used in the SolidWorks. Stay tuned till then, like my video and subscribe to channel.